Half a day. I'm Orlando Cruz. I'm one of the instructional coaches here at Curriculum Instruction, and today we're going to be looking over the basics of creating a YouTube channel so you can get all of those videos organized online and easily accessible to all of our students and families. Okay, we're going to start on this website here, google.com. We have our Google Classroom here, so we want to use this as our starting point. In the top right, we have this little waffle icon. I'm going to click on this, and then it's going to bring me down some options. We're going to head over to YouTube. So I click on YouTube, and it brings me to the YouTube website. YouTube is a database of a bunch of videos, right? From pop culture to instructionals, everything in between you can find on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in the top right, and I'm going to use my GDOE email account. So right here, let me punch in my password real quick. Okay. And now that I'm signed in, I do want to give you guys a little tip, right? You may have a video longer than 15 minutes. So there is a process to verify. So if the videos come out longer than 15 minutes, you gotta verify and you gotta go here to this website so that you can click that and they'll send you like a code to your cell phone or to your email so you can verify that you're really a person, not just a robot. They try to make sure that authenticity is maintained on YouTube and not just robots bombarding them with using up their platform. So this is one thing. If your videos come out longer than 15 minutes, you gotta verify. Okay, this account that I have is verified. So then when I click that, it says that my YouTube account has already been verified. Okay, with that set, I'm gonna look at the top right here, and then I have here an icon with a plus sign, and it looks like a video camera. We're gonna click this, and it gives us two options. One option is to upload a video, and the second option is to go live. We're gonna upload a video. And if you were with us last video, we created a quick lesson, and that's the video that we're gonna upload. So I click on upload video. Okay, it brings us to the next page. And here we can either drag the video file onto this box, or we can click this and find it ourselves on our desktop. I saved that video we created last time on my computer, and I'm going to select that here. So it brings me down to the menu, right? I'm going to go to my desktop, and it was under here, and here's my screen recording, right? I'm going to click open. Let me bring this up so you can see this. I'm going to click on open. And now it's going to take a moment to upload this file. I can put a title, and then the title of this one would be Basics of Screen Recording. And then I can just put here, this is a instructional video on the basics of screen recording using Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, I come down, right, and then the video will have a thumbnail, right? I'm gonna let it auto pick, so it will pick which picture to show as the starting picture of the video. Okay, we can organize this. When you get more, you can have a playlist. So especially for our elementary school teachers, if you want to categorize it by content, that works too. Okay, and then it also makes sure that the content is appropriate. So I'm going to say that this is content and it's suitable for children. There's nothing too mature on that content, right? I'm not going to put any age restriction, right? So it's not mature content, so don't restrict my video. So that way when they search for it, it will be included in that database if I allow it to be searchable. Okay. Then I'm going to click next. Okay, let's click next. And then here are some very important options. Okay, if it's something that you want to keep private and only people you specifically shared with will be able to see it, to view it, then you have to click private, right? This is probably the highest level of restriction. Okay, next is the one that I recommend. It's unlisted. Okay, I actually don't want my video searchable, so I'm gonna have it unlisted, and only those who are able to retrieve my link either from my Google Classroom or if I share with them on email will be able to watch it. As long as they have the link, they'll be able to watch it, but they can't simply go on YouTube and search for this video. Okay, and then there's the least restrictive is public, and this one it will be included in the search engine. So if they wanted to search for it and they find it among the results, they'll be able to access the video. So I go in between, right? It's going to be your professional discretion to choose which level of restriction you want, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep mine unlisted, okay? And below this, right, we can schedule. We can put it at a specific date, right? This may be helpful for those who have content that is on a time stamp, right? Like it's required to come out on a certain day to coordinate a routine with your students. You can explore that as well, okay? And then it has a disclaimer here. Before you publish, check the following. Make sure that if any children or minors are appearing in the video, we want to make sure that we protect their privacy, right? Overall content, we want to make sure it fits their guidelines, nothing inappropriate. We understand that we still have to fit those guidelines, okay? I'm going to go down here. I'm going to click save. On the next portion, right, we have, oh, it says it's already published. So in that moment, in that few minutes that we were talking, it actually allowed us to process the video, and now I can easily share it, right? So I can use this link and post it on my Google Classroom, right? I have all of these options on my email, all of these platforms, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, right? We have all of these. I'm not going to share it right now, and I'm going to share with you the next feature. Okay. Right here on my channel, it shows that it's uploaded already, and it also shows the visibility as unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch the video, but it won't be on my channel, right? It won't be on my channel. If you want it on your channel, we're gonna have to make this public, okay? So if you're really archiving everything for on your channel to organize all your lessons for your students to access, we're gonna have to make it public, okay? If you're gonna only post it on your Google Classroom and you only want it accessible there, keep it unlisted. I'm gonna keep mine unlisted, okay? And then I'm gonna share with you some of these options here, right? We have some details, and these details help us with just the title and the description, right? When I go back, okay, I also have some analytics, so it'll show you like how many times your video was viewed, right? We also have comments, right? If you allow for comments, there can be comments below your video, and it could be a way to engage your students. And then over here, we can view the video on YouTube. If I click this, it's gonna bring up a tab, and then here's the video that we just uploaded, right? The basics of screen recording. Okay, half a day, everyone. Okay, I'm gonna close this. And then here's, it looks like the snowman we talk about in Google Classroom, right? I'm gonna click on options here, and here's where I'm gonna get that shareable link, right? I'm gonna get this shareable link. I have it copied, and I'm gonna open up a new tab, and I want to use the waffle to go to my Google Classroom. Okay, when I'm on my Google Classroom, I'm gonna select one of my classes, and here's an example. Let me pick, let's go pick a Stumble Middle School, our dragon family here, right? And then if I want to post this on my stream, I can click here. I'm gonna have it posted to all students. I'm gonna put a quick description. Here is a tutorial on screen recording. So our dragon family will have first dibs on this video on screen recording. I'm gonna click, I can click on YouTube, all right? I'm gonna paste that link. It's gonna search for that link, and here it is, basic of screen recording. I'm gonna click on this, it's the one I'm selecting. I click add, and then I can click post. And there is a short walkthrough, right, on how to get your videos that you created uploaded on YouTube and shareable on your Google Classroom. I hope this helps you understand the options we have as far as getting content to our student. There are going to be more lessons and tutorials coming your way. Please stay safe, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.